When should your business register for VAT? In the UK, the magic number is £90,000. That's the current VAT threshold. If your taxable turnover hits or is expected to hit that figure in a rolling 12-month period, you're required to register for VAT with HMRC. But here's where many small businesses slip up. It's not just about waiting until the end of your financial year. If your turnover hits £90,000 at any point within a 12-month window, that's your trigger. Why does it matter? Staying on top of VAT registration avoids fines and keeps your cash flow healthy. Plus, being VAT registered can give your business a more professional edge. At Athos Business Solutions, we help businesses like yours navigate VAT rules, handle registration, and make sure you claim back what you're entitled to. Need VAT advice? Visit athos.uk.com and stay compliant with confidence.